How to increase your business affiliate marketing. Business affiliate marketing is a smart way of attracting customers, while also sending your customers to another website business. This reciprocal partnership is good for both businesses because it increases traffic and makes money through referrals. This video can help you to understand how business affiliate marketing can work for you. Make a unique web page for each affiliate product. Write relevant and helpful information about the product for your visitors to read. If you focus a page on a single product, you can target a specific audience that is already interested in the subject. It also makes tracking much easier. Use anticipation to build desire for your upcoming products. Preemptive marketing about the launch of a new product or service can build a need from a want. When used properly, this kind of marketing can drive massive amounts of traffic to your new product, which increases your sales positioning tremendously. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, check out their resources in terms of sale boosting items for you. A good affiliate program will offer you banner images, content for text ads, and letter templates, in order to help you boost sales. A sale for you is a sale for them, and you want to work for a company that understands your value as an affiliate. It is important that you treat your website visitors right. They know an affiliate advertisement when they see one. If you endorse a product that you do not believe in, or if you take advantage of their visit with excessive ads, then they will not visit your website in the future. As stated above, business affiliate marketing is really a smart partnership between two businesses. By studying the video above and educating yourself on the benefits that affiliate marketing can bring, you can increase sales, as well as make a tidy commission for sending customers to your business affiliate marketing partner, and both of your businesses win. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.